Hello, Casey. So I'm going to show you how you can copy things. Now, if you're not going to find them, if you have to get into two different Schoologies, which I'm guessing you do, so you probably have your Schoology here that has all of your information, and you have your Pickens Schoology, because I know my kids are in DPS. What you can do, there's a couple different things you can do. You can go into, just like you did for me, go into your Pickens class and add yourself from your Jeffco. So in your Jeffco Schoology, you're going to add your name in here. So under your members, you would put yourself, right, as a member and then make yourself admin. Okay, so then when you go into your Jeffco Schoology courses, your course will show up right here. And then you can just also do with the next part, you can transfer from class to class once you have that. So let's say you do that, and then you can pause, go do that, pause the video. Okay, so now that you have this class and the class you need to transfer to, I'm going to transfer it over here to Warren Tech Example just to show you. Okay, so you're going to click on your morning class, and then you're going to click over here, and you're going to copy to courses. And you could also save it to your resources if you want to just do that. Those are your options. And saving it to your resources, then you'll have it in your resources always, and it's not just being held in this class. Because once the class, when class goes away, sometimes it's a pain. So I'm going to just do, I created a folder for you. So I'm just copying it to that folder. So, and then click copy folder. Just verifying that I want to copy all of that. Okay, so then you'll see when I go back to my courses, in here, I will have your folder right here. So if you can't get yourself, like if you're not able to join your class in your old, like you did for me, if you're not able to join it, then what I can do is put all your materials in here, and then you can just copy from here to your class. So you could copy to courses, and then you just copy it back to whatever course you happen to have that you wanted in. So that's one way of doing it. The other way would be save to resources. But again, you have to be a member of it, and then you have to be in your Jeffco to save it to your resources. And then you can make a file or just your home. And then, this is all my stuff, all my world history stuff. So you can create a folder and just copy it in there. So this, so I still have all of my world history stuff that I used to teach. So that's another option that you can do. Okay, hope this helps. If it doesn't, if you have questions, I won't put everything in here unless I hear that you need me to. So if you need me to put stuff in here because you're not able to join, maybe they don't let you have two Casey Krugs in your class in your old school. So let me know, and then I'll put everything in here and you can transfer it that way. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have questions. Okay.